We're tracking for you here tonight. As we age, many want to live comfortably and independent, but there is a chance that independence can turn into isolation, which can then threaten mental and physical health.
So the Area Office on Aging, Mobile Meals, and Madonna House are working on an answer to that problem. Tatiana Cash has details on this joint pilot program. Tatiana?
Yes, Jeff, Melissa. Now, the Centers for Disease and Control and Prevention find social isolation can lead to heart disease, stroke, as well as an earlier death. And in Vistula neighborhood, the data shows senior residents are living 20 years less than their surrounding neighbors. So their pilot communal meals program is trying to help.
Today's meal is the turkey pot roast, and it has stuffing, mashed potatoes, and dill carrots.
After going through the line for their hot meal, cold milk, and banana, residents like Janice Fromm are happy to eat among friends.
Sometimes I cannot stand at the stove to cook, so it helps me with that. And then also it helps me not isolate as much at my apartment.
Having lived at Madonna Homes for nearly 10 years, she says it's not hard to make friends, but it's just as easy to sit in your apartment and be alone. The CDC finds social isolation and loneliness are problems within the senior community, which can lead to serious health issues like dementia and even early death. This is something the Area Office on Aging is seeing locally.
In this neighborhood, people live to be 62 years old, whereas 4 miles away in the DeVoe neighborhood, people live to be 84 years old. So there's a 22-year gap. And we're trying to provide some social services that can fill the gap.
While the Congregate Meal Program, which is funded by the Healthy Aging Grant through the Lucas County Commissioner's Office, has only been going on for a few weeks here at Madonna Homes, staff are seeing a change in residents.
Just seeing them come down and enjoy the meal, that's what they talk about the most, what they like about it. Some will come down with their own little condiments for it or whatever, but they really enjoy the meal.
And Mobile Meals Toledo says they're happy to provide the food to help increase socialization among seniors.
And the social connection of the volunteer who can be there for 4 or 5 minutes with them, or the telephone reassurance calls that we do. So this is a great way to have another opportunity to engage with seniors in another platform.
Fromm is glad this program started at her home and hopes other residents will soon follow.
I tend to withdraw a lot and just sit there at home, so this helps me.
Now, Area Office on Aging plans to continuing the Congregate Meals Project by having the Northgate apartments start their meals in just a few weeks. So good luck to them. Reporting in studio, Tatiana Cash, WTOL 11.